it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our August 2025 virtual class. So with our virtual classes, there is a die requirement. So for this class, there are 4 required dies from our newest release. They are the whirly wheel, curved edges, graduation elements, and leaping animals. This month is all about the whirly wheel. So our first card will feature the whirly wheel along with those leaping animals and curved edges to make a unicorn birthday card. We are using beautiful pattern papers this month from Uniquely Creative, a company out of Australia. Whenever we focus on one interactive die in a class, I like to change up the second card and teach a different way to use that die. So in this case, we're going to make a triple arm whirly wheel that also reveals a hidden greeting. We'll be using those graduation elements to make this a congratulatory card, but it does not have to be for graduation. It's just a general congrats card. We'll be featuring one of Uniquely Creative's papers that is meant to be fussy cut. So that's where the butterflies and the flowers come from. So be prepared with your detail scissors for a little bit of fussy cutting. If you are new to our virtual class program, let me explain to you how it works. So the 4 required dies are required. And if you don't already own any of them, then your best value is going to be to bundle them with your paper extras and instructions. However, if you already own one or more of the required dies, you always have the option to get just your paper extras and instructions without the dies. However, you do still need the dies. When your kit arrives, it's going to be those bulk materials that are needed for these cards. There are not going to be instructions in your kit. The instructions are going to come by email. So about 9 to 10 days before the class day video premieres, you will receive an email from the store where you purchased your kit. So for this class, that should be around August the 6th. So be on the lookout for that email. And if you didn't get that email by, let's say by August 7th, reach out to the store where you purchased your kit and make sure that that didn't go to your spam folder or you didn't get missed. Prep work is always just self-paced at your own time. You just need to get your prep work done before you assemble your cards by watching the class day video. And your first opportunity to watch the class day video is at the premiere, which will be August 16th, 2025, starting at 11 a.m. Central. However, it is a pre-recorded class day video, so that means you really can watch it at any time after the premiere. With virtual classes, we do make the class day video public, so that means you can watch that class day video whether or not you purchased a kit. However, all of the detailed instructions for preparing your kit, all of the measurements, that very detailed prep work video, that is exclusive to kit holders. Okay, how do you get a kit? So my recommendation is go over to our website, karenburniston.com, click on the Events tab, and then from there you're just going to go to Current Events, and you will find links to all of the stores that are making kits for this class. Now, we will also offer a limited number of kits on our website. They will show up in the Kits and Classes area once they are ready to ship. Hope you can join us for this fun class that is all about the whirly wheel. Thanks.